All right, van's empty. I just won a storage unit online, so let's see what's at the facility. Let's see what you won. While it's still daylight, hopefully some treasure. All right, well, no shocking uncovery of this. The guy literally, he hustled. I mean, he ran here. He took off the pull-off tag. Probably could just pull this down and like redo it and make like a cool intro like I usually do, but no, like he literally ripped off the tag, took off the lock, and just left me. So yeah, I paid $100 for it. Ooh, somebody welded this whole thing of copper. That is, but it's, I don't know. Anyway, I paid $100. I'm splitting this unit with Renee. There's enough here to make like 4 or 5 videos, but we're going to each do one individual video. And if you want to check out her channel, check it out as well. I'll put a link down below. But I probably will have to come back. This is a 5x15 unit, and I don't think it's all fitting in this van right here. So I might come back in a couple days to clean out the rest. But let's jump into it and see what we find. Wow, that is one heck of a bird cage. There's enough lollygagging here. Let's get into it. Okay, so we knocked out. So this was Christmas. She loves Christmas, so I let her go through that. I've definitely determined we're going to come back another time, just because I think that's all the way to the back. And I don't know what's behind this. I really don't. I thought there was a couch back there. I was completely wrong. Whatever that whitish bag right there looked like a couch on camera, on the photo. Looks like we have a whole bin of yarn. Ooh, is that mold on that? I don't know. I'll probably take out the yarn, because this looks like it's all brand new with the paper still on it. Oh wow, some crafter would love this. I know vintage yarn sells very, very well in lots. I'll take out that stuff. I don't know, somebody's going to want that mold and whatever that is. Must have got some moisture in here. Yeah, that box down there. Looks like it got some ceramics. Looks like it's got some moisture damage. So we'll take out this. I gotta put gloves on. How are we gonna get to the stuff back there? These look like pillows. Oh, that's not a pillow. What is that? A jacket, I think. It's actually a neat looking pillow. Alright, so I put the chest mount on. I can't really see what you guys are seeing, but I'm gonna try and knock out some of this stuff. So some of the stuff, like the furniture, that's probably gonna be discarded. Like this piece right here, kind of just putting outside and to the side, and I will come back again tomorrow afternoon to make a landfill run. That's kind of neat. Let's see one of those. I'll put that in there. $0.25. Guess this is probably, yeah, I was gonna say it's probably Avon. $1987, Barnesville, Pennsylvania. Alright, guess let's see if there's anything in here. It's kind of a nice desk, but I don't think it's going home. Heck is this? I think that's a table. Jeez. falling apart. Person just hoarded Tupperware. Oh, that's vintage Tupperware in there. Some is vintage, some is not. Might be able to see a little green colorish right there. Camera work is impossible right here, but it's okay. Oh, here we go. This whole side's ripping. That is vintage Tupperware, which I can add to my other vintage Tupperware from those power auctions. Those even might be. Those kind of look like shot glasses. See? Even more vintage Tupperware. I'm going to start my own stand. Anywhere's good. Wow. I don't know if those boxes go all the way to the ground, but they do. That is a lot of stuff. Coffee makers in there. I don't know if this person just dealed in Tupperware. Like, I kid you not. Like, there's so much Tupperware. Like, look, just more pieces. And I'm wondering if this is all Tupperware. There's lids and everything in there. I'm wondering if, like, every bag over here is just Tupperware. Well, you know it's old if the bag rips and it like weighs 1 pound. That's when it's old.
On the van?
Yeah. Those somewhere. Yeah, the unfortunate thing about today is that I mentioned, I think in one of my daily videos, is that the landfill closes at 2:30, and right now it's about 2 o'clock. It's about, I want to say, the round trip would be an hour there and back, so it'd be impossible to take stuff to the landfill today, whether it be recyclables or landfill. So like the broken furniture, it just has to get pushed aside. You just gotta come back. I think I want to make this whole video about Tupperware, but I think this is more Tupperware, so I'm going to just leave that as is, and then you guys check back with me. If I find gold, I'll let you know.
Should I just put it in here? Or put it on the van?
Put it on the van. Okay. She says there's toys in a box down there, so I want to get to that, but you got all this other stuff in the way. That's more vintage Tupperware.
You need the salt and pepper.
Yeah, more Tupperware. Sounds like some aluminum cans.
What if all the boxes are full?
I would lose my mind if this is all Tupperware. That is crazy how much stuff is in here. Alright, so I get to these boxes over here.
Maybe we can put this on top somewhere.
Yeah. You keep that to the side if you want. On top of that.
Oh my gosh.
That's from the restaurant, right? It's from a restaurant.
It looks like it's from a cafeteria.
Oh,
Too bad it wasn't the Pizza Hut glasses.
Those are worth money?
I guess so. Is that the goose? Are you okay?
Yeah. This?
No, the goose is underneath. I'm pretty sure it's
Oh, more Christmas ornaments. It's just screams 1990.
Oh, these are dated. 98.
You throw this in the van.
Okay.
Apparently this is for VHS. Feels very heavy. Oh, no VHSs. Kind of like this camera on the chest thing, but I know some of the camera work isn't professional and the best it can possibly be today, so I apologize for that. I'm going to try to do this a little bit unedited, so if it's blurry and this and that, and it's all going to just kind of be more unedited, more than the edited version that I'd probably do with like trash picking. So if you're staring at my knees, it is what it is. What's all this stuff?
Oh.
Oh, it's fashion earrings.
Are they like little Buddhas?
They are. Just fashion earrings. And a vintage bowl. Here, you take this salad.
It's for New Jersey. Oh, it's Florida.
Yeah. This might be more bells. I don't know. That's a bell. Found a whole box of bells so far. Camel. Let's buy a whole box of these earrings. No, more bells. These are your brass bells. Reindeer. Whole collection. Wow. I wonder if these are all bells. Sounds like a bell. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
More Eagle stuff.
That's awesome. 2004.
Here, give this to your
I can
cousin.
give it to my...
Yeah, give it to your cousin.
My aunt or my cousin.
Your aunt, your cousin. All of them. Cousins, kids. More about, like, it's the bells. I wouldn't say it's like box lot stuff, because I'm sure there's probably like, this stuff didn't come from an auction, but like, it's literally stuff you find in like an auction. That's an old camera, I think.
What's that? Oh, it's another camera.
Another one of those cameras.
Yeah.
This is the camera. Oh,
This is from Hess.
Oh wow. Yunnan.
Oh, that's neat. Let's look that guy.
Might have to look that one. Might have to look at that one. Now here are toys. Toys. Who's that guy?
Is it Tonka?
Yeah, that was probably a good guess. I don't know. 1998? Mattel?
Tonka behind guy. Oh my gosh.
There's all action figures down there.
From what?
I think from the mid-90s.
Oh, he's cool.
1994.
Oh.
Power Rangers. I think that's Star
Star
Wars.
Wars. That's new. That's
That's
probably,
probably 2000 or something. I don't know any of these guys. I was never really played with toys. I just look. Yeah,
Another Power Ranger.
1997.
Cool.
Whole box of toys to go through. That might be G.I. Joe. Does that look like G.I. Joe? Delta Fox?
Yeah, I think so. Again, it's probably newerish.
Alright, I'll leave the Fragile Xmas for you.
There's more. Who's this guy?
There's a bunch now.
There's a Rugrats guy, or not a Rugrats.
There you go, it's action figures. Look at that, it's Batman. In green. Missing an arm. don't know who the heck that guy is.
Oh my gosh, what if there's 1980s?
1980s
Strawberry shortcake.
brand new in the
Milo-
box.
Oh, don't tease.
Brand new in the box, worth $4,000, found in a hidden storage unit. Can't believe it. There's a lot of stuff here.
Right?
Yep. More yarn. There's Christmas for you.
Oh, I think I have that rug.
That's what it is. It's a rug.
Yeah.
I want to open this, but there's like tins. Put that on.
Tupperware?
Yeah, it looks like Tupperware mixing of other stuff.
It's a goose. You have more of those goose. It looks like a goose.
Looks like it's breaking, so be careful. What's in there that's valuable? That guy?
No, this is a magnet. I just remember this. That should be pretty good. Oh, these are cute. They're a little yucky though. You have to unwrap.
Yeah, I see a 50-cent sticker on there.
This is a wind chime.
I'm about to lose my mind. That's all it is. It's just more.
Isn't there some person at the flea market that sells all the Tupperware?
Yeah, there's that person at Jacktown who literally just sells nothing but Tupperware. Like, I mean, thousands of pieces. Now, do they sell it? I don't know. Because it seems like they are more than welcome to. This is fragile.
Eagle Noble.
Oh, wow. Yeah, somebody give you $1, $2 for that.
Statue of Liberty.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
We got Pillsbury Doughboy.
All right, that's collectible. I like that.
What's this one?
Boom. 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 Guess what I found? It finally happened.
Pyrex.
Pyrex. We knew it. Couple of lime green. I think this is the Pyrex. That's not Pyrex. Hall. With the U. I think this is the Canadian or not English. So that's English Pyrex. Pyrex made in England.
That's nice. How much is that worth?
They're usually not worth a whole lot, but collectors like them because, well, you can't really find them here.
Looks like you have the whole set, maybe.
Yeah.
That's nice.
With the lids, maybe.
Awesome.
I don't know. Pick a box. What the heck is that? Is that
It's a cat basket.
Cats on a basket.
Ceramic cat basket.
Okay.
That's.
Hey, all right. I mean, sell.
Oh, definitely. Someone's definitely gonna buy
Someone's
that.
gonna want that.
That's your money maker right there.
But to dedicate a whole box to it.
That's a cat box.
So all these photos from all these boxes from the photos, you cannot see like any of this. So if you would have saw this thing would have went for a couple hundred just because boxes. Everyone loves boxes. Then you include old boxes, people love it. Whether or not there's hundreds of dollars worth of stuff, that's for you to decide. But yeah, didn't see it in the photos.
Luca's on the block, step by step. These are still sealed. Great sport mode. Oh, there's 2 layers. Too hot for TV. Psycho Cop 2? You might want to look that one up. Billy Ray Cyrus. Home Alone 2?
Oh my god, these are the classics.
Oh my gosh. Don't break my heart, my achy breaky heart. Wow. Freddy's Dead. Oh, you gotta look these up too. These horror ones can be pretty good.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice.
Might be the money maker.
Where's the Nintendo?
Where is the Nintendo? Oh, old mason jars. It's the big one too. That's the half-gallon. Oh, there's a whole collection. Look at them. Oh, they're like almost like a set. That one's new. So they're newer mixed with older ones. Actually, they're all new. But they're set. More glassware?
Yeah.
Tons of glassware.
There's a lot. Games and things from Ocean City, Maryland Boardwalk.
Galaxy glass. Ocean Times. I don't know. $2 for the set. They had to be flea market people. Like they had to just sell at flea markets. Back in the day, like in the 90s.
There's a whole bunch of puzzles back there.
Yeah, just like.
Jeez.
More glassware?
Accurate. Sounds like our bells.
Sounds like bells.
Yep.
Look at this thing.
That's cute. I would buy that.
Somebody might buy that for
Yeah.
that one.
Here's here's a Looney Tunes one.
Of course,
Here's
that one
the
doesn't
lid.
have. Oh, there's the lid.
Yeah, 50th anniversary.
Elton Kirby's Pepper. Crayons. More tins.
What's this one? That's cute. It's like for popcorn, I think. Snyder's, wow. I don't remember them ever coming in
In a tin.
a tin. There's Keebler cookies. Well, we went from Tupperware to tins.
Yeah, once we talk about more tins. They must have collected tins. Yeah, it's a shame these aren't like from like the 40s or 30s. Christmas again? We don't know if that. Yeah, it is Christmas. Might be a little Christmas. Huh? 90s Christmas. Christmas. 90s Christmas. It's not 90s Christmas. $0.10.
Dick's NASCAR books.
Oh my god, his books.
There's Dick's NASCAR shirts.
Yeah.
It's probably made of that.
It says NASCAR books on it. It's all like 2005-ish. 2006. Where's his shirts? There's one thing, there hasn't been any clothes in this whole unit. Oh, it's getting dark in here. more Tupperware right there.
Yeah. Yeah, little guys.
Souvenirs. See what's in this Grand Ole Opry. See, yeah. There's go. Another one. So super interesting storage unit. Lots of things say yard sale on it. This says junk. It's never good whenever you're storing literally junk. But that over there also says yard sale junk. So, I mean, obviously I can tell this is all stuff that either went to a flea market, was going to a flea market, probably was put here in the mid-2000s, early 2000s, because all the wrappings from the early 2000s. That's got wet. I don't see the roof leaking too much. Man, boxes of yard sale stuff. Good thing is it's flea market stuff, so it's going from one flea marketer to another flea marketer. That says miscellaneous personal items. Oh, there's tables back there, probably from when they had the yard sale.
Market. Yeah,
flea
yeah.
market.
Mommy's iron. There's a nest there. Alright, we got
a steak knife collection.
Just hanging out. Another camera?
Shoes.
Oh, it shows a camera. Yeah. Oh my gosh. A damn quarter.
That's probably worth a lot in 2000. That was probably their big ticket item they put on the table. Kind of getting down here to the wire. I thought this was kind of neat. Never seen one of these. This is a taper candle, but it's of corn. The more you see. This is originally 99 cents and discount to 49 cents. It's corn tapered candles. Never seen that. Nintendo McDonald's toy.
Oh, cool.
Donkey Kong. More McDonald's toy. Andretti's Racing. Avon. Getting a little dark in here. We got the box of bottles. Fortunately, looks like everything's kind of incomplete. Oh, nope, that one's got the lid. That's new. Alright, due to lighting issues and the van pretty much full, we'll be back again tomorrow afternoon to finish up the job.
Before I is helping over 100,000 women save
All right, time to kind of unpack a little bit of the first half of the unit. It's always the fun part, is moving everything into storage. And then going inside the warehouse, we're starting to pile right here in the middle. Back again, day 2. All right, now I got the sun behind me. Back again for day 2. I just completed a whole pallet auction. That video has probably been, I don't know if it's been posted, but back again. Now we're back in the afternoon. I gotta load up the rest of this stuff. Almost done with this storage unit. It was really good. It was really good. I've never seen this, so I see a lot of Avon stuff, Avon products. It's a hot dog comb. It's literally a hot dog comb. It's in there. Wow, it's a 2-part set. That is unbelievable. Who would have ever thought that? The weird things you find in a storage unit. Okay, so kind of getting down to like the last boxes back here. Put that guy up there. Is this more? Oh no, it's a can. See, everything has price tags on it. Very interesting. Very interesting. Drinking, disposable cups. Wow. That's a lot of plastic to just dispose. I guess times are different. These are 25 cents for all those. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. That might have been a little travel. It says $4. I haven't seen one of those before. I guess that's to hide your booze. Go travel somewhere if you got a little handle. That's kind of neat. Kind of weird stuff we got in here. More brassware. There's an aluminum dish at the bottom. Montel. Oh, wow. The original Boo Bucket. The original Boo Bucket. That's the original. Not the knockoff ones that they sold the last 2 years. I don't know if that has any value, but yep, that's it. That's funny. Many things you find in a storage unit. Alright, so we're taking apart the desk. We got I don't know what those are. They're $2 nickels, but it might be silver nickels. Maybe? Maybe just nickels. No, just nickels. 1980. Well, came close to finding a whole roll of silver nickels. In fact, I don't think... Right, nickels maybe were never even silver. They were always nickel. Maybe? Yep. Found money hidden. I gotta make sure nothing's taped in there. I don't think so. It's a shame whatever item was in there. Ghostbusters Ecto-1 vehicle. Unfortunately, it's not in there. And there's only one box of toys in this whole unit. But vintage toys nonetheless. It's kind of a cool looking box. But yeah, Ghostbusters Ecto-1 vehicle. Not in there. If that was like right front and center, covered up, like folded over, man, this unit could have went for a lot of money. All right, well, the warehouse is starting to fill in. Do have some areas over here. I was going to stop by and actually buy more bubble wrap on the way home. I went to the landfill, but obviously you see all this stuff is not going to the landfill. This is all the stuff from the storage unit. It goes all the way back. I don't know how high it is. Probably, I don't know, 4 bins high. There's a lot there. There were a lot of boxes in this storage unit, but it was lots of fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll probably go through more in depth some of those boxes in the future. I try to hit the high points in this video, whether or not they were high points or low points. That's up for you to decide, but it was fun. It was another adventure. I paid $100 for this, and it was great. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to check out Paper and Moose, Renee's channel. I'll put a link down below. You can watch her video on the storage unit. And that's going to wrap it up. So thanks for tagging along. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. Until next time, have a great day. Keep living a dream. Peace.